Hey, today we're making a Kurdish rice and milk dessert. Most likely this originates from India, but it's found its place in the Kurdish kitchen as well. Before we get started, I want to say welcome. I'm so happy to see that we've now passed the 200 subscriber mark. Thank you so much for that. Let's get cooking. The ingredients we need for this dessert are milk, a few cardamom pods and a cinnamon stick to flavor the milk, some rice flour, not to be confused with cornstarch or potato starch, sugar to taste, and traditionally it's garnished with coconut flakes and ground cinnamon. Another popular garnish is ground pistachios, and I also garnished a few with pomegranate seeds. You can add whatever you like. I'll add a few more suggestions in the description box on how you can flavor this dessert, so don't forget to check it out. Start by adding your milk to a cold pot together with your rice flour and sugar and mix it all together until everything is well combined. I'm not big on sweets, so keep that in mind when you make your version. You might want to add more sugar than I did. Add your flavoring, turn on the heat to medium or medium-high, and make sure you stir constantly. Rice flour has a tendency to sink to the bottom of the pot, so you need to make sure you stir the milk the whole time. When you see the steam and your milk has gotten warm, you can remove the cardamom and cinnamon. You can also keep it in until the very end and just sieve your pudding in order to catch them. I don't think it'll make much of a difference, to be honest, because the cooking time is short anyway. Depending on your stove, it could take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes for the milk to thicken and come up to a boil. And when you see it boiling, turn off the heat and pour your rice and milk pudding into your serving bowls. It took me a minute to set up the camera, so a film had formed on top of the pudding in the pot. So if you see any lumps, it's the skin that I stirred back into the mixture. It did dissolve and become one with the pudding again, but if you don't want that to happen, just make sure that you move quickly and you pour your warm pudding directly into your serving dishes. Garnish it to your liking and let it rest in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours until it sets. You can also make this dessert a day ahead of time. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post new Kurdish recipes every week.